Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bean Boozled. First, understand that this game involves two types of jelly beans, delicious ones and truly disgusting ones. Each color pair has one good and one bad flavor. The excitement comes from not knowing which you'll get. It's a fun, unpredictable challenge for friends and family, perfect for gatherings or just a laugh. Setting up your Bean Boozled game is simple. You'll need the official Bean Boozled Jelly Bean box, which includes the unique flavor pairings and often a spinner. If your box doesn't have a spinner, you can use a random color generator online. Also, keep a small bowl handy for those moments when a flavor is just too much, and always have a refreshing drink nearby. Playing Bean Boozled is straightforward and full of surprises. To begin, spin the wheel to determine which color of jelly bean you must eat. Then, select a bean of that exact color from the box. Pop it in your mouth and brace yourself for the flavor. Your reaction is part of the fun, so don't hold back, whether it's a delicious treat or a truly wild taste. To maximize your Bean Boozled experience, try playing with 2 to 4 people. It often leads to the most laughs. Don't forget to record everyone's reactions. Those videos are priceless. For an extra thrill, blindfold players so they can't even see the color they are about to eat. And for the ultimate challenge, implement a no-spitting rule, but only if everyone agrees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.